In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync audio with video in Clipchamp step by step. If you've ever recorded audio separately from your video, or you're adding background music, voiceovers, or sound effects, and things just don't line up properly, this tutorial will help you fix that quickly and easily. Clipchamp makes audio syncing simple once you understand how the timeline works. Make sure to watch until the end so you can get perfectly synced audio every time. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a new project or open an existing one that already has your video uploaded. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. If it's not there yet, simply drag and drop it from the media library onto the timeline. The timeline is where all your syncing will happen, so this is the most important area to focus on. Next, locate the audio file you want to sync. This could be a voiceover recording, background music, or external audio you recorded separately. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click on the Import Media button and upload your audio file from your computer. Once the audio appears in your media library, click and drag the audio file down onto the timeline. Place it directly under your video track so you can clearly see both the video and the audio waveforms. Now comes the most important part, adjusting and syncing the audio. Click on the audio clip in the timeline to select it. You can drag it left or right to align it with your video. A helpful tip here is to zoom into the timeline so you can see the audio waveform more clearly. The waveform shows visual spikes that represent sound, which makes it much easier to match specific moments, like a clap, a word, or a beat in the music with what's happening in the video. If your audio is longer than needed or starts too early, you can trim it. Simply click on the edge of the audio clip and drag inward to shorten it. If you need more precise control, use the split button. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut the audio, then click the split option. This allows you to cut the audio into sections and delete or move specific parts to better sync with your video. Keep adjusting by dragging, trimming, and splitting until the sound matches the visuals perfectly. You can press play multiple times to preview and fine-tune the alignment. Take your time here because small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your final video feels. Once everything is synced properly, play the entire section from beginning to end to make sure there are no delays or mismatched moments. If it sounds good, you're all set. From here, you can continue editing or export your finished project. And that's how you sync audio with video in Clipchamp. It's all about using the timeline, adjusting placement, and trimming or splitting when necessary. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.